Hi everyone, I'm Osis Samantra and you are watching Art of Hasid. So in this video I'll show you how to do a portrait using pencil shading. So I'm using here Canson paper. This is really good for doing pencil shading. And again also I'm using art line pencil 2B, 6B, 8B, 10B. It's very smooth and dark to apply shading to the object. And also I'm using Tombomon eraser for erasing detailing, and also I'm using 2.5 mechanical pencil for giving detailing to the drawing. And here one more eraser I'm using as a drawing tool, that is called kneadable eraser. It's look like a clay, so this eraser you can mold it in different shapes to erase in according your requirement. Also I'm using cotton and cotton bud for smudging the graphite, and for sharpening the pencil I'm using pencil cutter, normal one. So I'm using my son portrait. So I took the photograph of my son and I convert into black and white because I'll identify easily the light area and dark area. And that image as a reference I took and I develop it on my paper. Now I'll show you the process how to apply the shading to this sketch drawing.